I saw many posters and other designs created by using grass effects. What I noticed, you are probably using the grass effect the wrong way. Most designers add it because it looks modern. But that is actually the wrong reason. A grass effect should never be there just to make your design look cool. To me, it should solve a design problem. Today I am going to show you why professionals use this grass effect, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly when to use it and when not to use it. Maybe let us start with a simple product poster right now. There is nothing wrong with it, but it does not feel premium. Now let us fix it. I am just starting with a simple background, nothing complicated, because the product should always be the hero of the design, while the background is supporting. I am creating a gradient to add depth and reflection of light around the product. With these settings, then I am changing the blending mode to soft light. Select both of them and convert to smart object. Go to select, then subject, Ctrl+J to add a mask layer and make a duplicate. Select the layer below, duplicate and turn off the layers above, and apply a Gaussian blur to create illusion of a real grass. This is because it softens the background without hiding it. Then going to filter gallery and apply the grass texture on the same layer. Basically, this is a setting I am using. Then selected the layer above, turn on, and I am creating the rectangle as follows. Bring it below this layer and create a clipping mask. Then turn on the layer above and apply the rectangle marquee tool as follows. Add a layer mask and Ctrl+I to invert the mask. You can adjust the rectangle below, whatever you feel comfortable. Finally, I added a text as follows. And add a stroke as follows. I hope you noticed that I was not following the trend and using it just for decoration. but I was just trying to show you how great designers use these effects for a purpose. Drop your comment, like and subscribe my channel if you found this video helpful. I will see you in the next one.